The legendary 180 steps per minute rule wasn't actually based on everyday runners like us, but on Olympians sprinting at 5-minute mile pace. Cadence is simply the number of steps you take in 1 minute. While simple to measure, most runners treat it like a high score to beat rather than a diagnostic vital sign. The 180 number comes from observing 1984 Olympians. They ran at least 180 while racing 5-minute miles, not while doing casual weekend long runs. In reality, cadence is directly linked to your pace. As you run faster, your cadence naturally increases. Forcing a high turnover at a slow jog often creates an inefficient, chopping stride. Your biomechanics play a huge role too. Taller runners with longer legs naturally have slightly lower turnover than shorter runners at the exact same speed. The real danger isn't just a low number, it's what that number signals: overstriding. If your cadence is under 160, you are likely landing with your foot too far in front of your body. Instead of chasing a magical 180, look for your personal safe zone. For most recreational runners, 165 to 175 is the sweet spot where efficiency meets comfort. So when should you ignore this data? On easy recovery runs. Trying to maintain high cadence while jogging slowly usually spikes your heart rate and ruins the recovery. However, use cadence as a fatigue detector during long runs. If your pace is steady but your cadence starts dropping, your form is failing and injury risk is rising. If you need to increase cadence, don't force it. Use cues like run quietly or add short hill sprints, which naturally force a faster turnover without overthinking. Think of cadence as a guardrail, not a gas pedal. Stay in a healthy range to prevent injury, but let your body find its own efficient rhythm. Monitor your cadence, but run your own rhythm.